a century and a half ago is not too long a time to reckon a period when, rather, for the first time in the history of the colonized world, our people rose up in arms to challenge the 400 years of Spanish domination over our country. It was a glorious period, however brief the actual battles were, and it was ignited mainly by the writings and the death of a young man named Jose Rizal.
The life of Jose was 400 years in the making, from the time the imperial ships from Spain docked in the Visayan island of Humanhon to conquer, convert, and engage in commerce. It was a long period of disgrace and discontent until the day Jose wrote down his words. A doctor of medicine by profession, a writer by vocation, a missionary by intent, and above all, a Filipino by blood and belief. Beyond question, Jose was the best of the breed that nurtured other valiant and audacious patriots. He stood out as the reality of the Indios Bravos, as an inspiration, an ideal, an icon. One day in the life of Jose Rizal is history unfolding every day of our lives. The freedom we breathe, the liberty we enjoy, the country we cherish as our own, the life we live by our sovereign will, all these and more were the dreams he wrote down in every word that wakened our people to realize the meaning of independence, love of country, and the character of heroism that is demanded of every Filipino today. Beyond the famous novels of the Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, one day in the life of Jose is every day in the life of all of us today. Every word he wrote down was the measure of the blood and the sacrifice that valiant other women and men offered for a cause that was greater than themselves. One life of Jose is a celebration of his birth every day in every heart of every Filipino who can walk tall and proud as the progeny of the genius of this one man whose words gave us the identity of being free. Jose was shot at the break of dawn. Beyond his death, he shall be the daily sunrise within our hearts, in every freedom we enjoy, in every word that we shall speak. One day in the life of Jose Rizal is the everyday you and I should live. For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.
Makakakilala sa kanyang kabayanihan. Ikaw nagmulat ng katotohanan sa aking kababayan. Upang ipaglaban ang karapatan ng bawat isa. Sa'yo kung bakit naging malaya ang ating bayan. Hindi namin limutan ang iyong mga nagawa. Ipagpapatuloy namin ang iyong simula. Bayani sisay sa ating puso at isipan. Ang iyong katapangan ang nagsilbing upang mapalaya ang ating bayan na lubog sa kahirapan. Ayan ay silisan, marami ang pumigil sa iyong pagsusulat, ngunit di ka papaawan. Na aming nalaman ang karapatan at pagmamahal sa bayan. Hindi malimutan ang iyong nagawa. Ipagpapatuloy namin ang iyong nasimula. Bayani sisay sa ating puso at isipan. Ang iyong katapangan ang nagsilbing upang mapalaya ang ating bayan malubog sa kahirapan. Yan ang silisan.